Going on. It is what is it, May 21st?
Today's 21st, yeah.
Yeah, it's May 21st, 2011. Heading up to north of Ardmore, actually going to Davis, just northeast of Davis. This thing is going up, got around 3,000 K today, maybe well over. I think one of the models that we've been looking at has been verified. A lot of people were pessimistic about this area not exploding today, and I kept my optimism to me, and now I have a storm. And we're going up here to meet up with Doug Trace, and we're gonna be underneath the mezzo together. Maybe this thing will produce, maybe not. Either way, we're gonna be underneath it. Me, Tanya, what up? Anyways, we'll see you underneath the mezzo. There's your first tornado, Tanya.
That long skinny one?
Yep, that's it right there.
Ooh, it's spinning, I see it. It's going back up.
Zoom out a little bit. This thing, do not touch down. It's going right over Sulphur.
Tell me if I need to stop. Let me stop. Stop rolling.
Come up here, Tony. Right here. It's the new area of rotation right here. Got the new area right there. Got the old occluding area back here. I don't even know if it's actually including. We may have 2 tornadoes here in a second. Yeah. Look at that. It looks like we're fixing to have
3.
Is it? Maybe. But I know with the way that this thing is doing, you definitely don't want to get up there underneath, in between that and that.
Yeah, because you never know where they're going to redevelop it.
Yeah, you don't.
Get the whole wall cloud in it.
Doug, say hi.
Hi. Hi, Tanya. Hey, Brandon. It's Tornado Fest 2011.
That's right.
Brando.
There's gonna be a tornado on the ground. Oh, wow. Pretty good tornado back there.
Back there behind the clouds. Or
Get back up here. Ooh. Wow. 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 Look at that. Look at that. Let's get that on here. Look at that.
Oh my God, that is going to be one strong tornado. Oh my God. Oh my God, we're fixing to have a wedge. Oh, Tanya. Oh my God. Hang on, we're gonna drive up. Yeah, it's on the ground back there. See it on the ground? Back in there?
Tornado.
We go up and hit this road. This thing is, I don't know if it's gonna keep going or not, but if it tops on it, it's losing its tops. This one up here is the one we need to be going after. There's probably a tornado on the ground. Base velocity. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let me see. That's no. It's gonna pass Ada to the northwest. Gonna pass Ada to the northwest. This one is actually dying. The one that we've been on, and yeah. So I'm going up to Ada, and I'm gonna go out. I think I'm gonna get on 13, and I'm gonna head northwest. Third tornado or something.
Wow.
They good?
Yeah.
Zoom in on it and
Yeah.
zoom back out.